Maker Week is an exciting and creative 5-day course, all about learning to design, prototype and make things by creating fun, practical projects. Designed especially for our younger campers from 9 to 13, it is a combination of 3 of our smaller courses. Laser Maker, a 2-day course teaching 2D design for working with laser cutters. 3D Maker, a 2-day course teaching 3D design for working with 3D printers. And Microbit Maker, a single-day course covering the basics of electronics and programming using the BBC Microbit. Laser Maker teaches 2D design using free, easy-to-use online software to create a series of projects which are cut out using a laser cutter in the classroom and assembled during the course. Make customised foam gliders, crazy sunglasses, your very own bedroom door sign and more. 3D Maker teaches 3D design, also using free software you can continue using at home to create and print 3D projects right there in the classroom. Create custom name tags, multicolour stamps, freeform characters and figures to name but a few. You can even try your hand at drawing in 3D using our 3D pens to create truly custom designs. Microbit Maker is a single-day course teaching the basics of coding and electronics using a BBC Microbit with a drag and drop programming language. Create everything from a combination lock to a step counter and a spy communicator. All of the Maker courses can be booked individually, or book all 3 for the full Maker Week experience. As with all TechCamp courses, take all of your projects home at the end of the course, including the BBC Microbit and accessories, to continue learning and creating.